Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Appscript to refresh your Google Sheets every 30 minutes. Are you tired of manually updating your spreadsheets or waiting for hours for new data to appear? Well, you're in luck because today we'll be exploring a simple yet powerful solution using Appscript. In this video, we'll cover the importance of automating tasks in Google Sheets, and I'll walk you through a step-by-step explanation of how to set up a script that will refresh your sheet every 30 minutes. Whether you're a business owner looking to streamline your workflow or an individual trying to stay on top of your finances, this tutorial is perfect for anyone who wants to save time and increase productivity. So let's dive in and see how we can automate our Google Sheets using Appscript. So why do we need to refresh our Google Sheets every 30 minutes? Well, there are several reasons why you might want to do this. Maybe you have a sheet that relies on external data sources such as stock prices or weather forecasts, and you need to ensure that the data is up to date. Or perhaps you're using a sheet to track inventory levels or sales figures, and you want to make sure that your team has access to the latest numbers. Whatever the reason, automating the refresh process can save you a lot of time and hassle in the long run. And that's where Appscript comes in. With Appscript, we can write a script that will automatically refresh our sheet at regular intervals. The first step is to open your Google Sheet and navigate to Tools Script Editor. This will take you to the Appscript interface, where you can start writing your code. Don't worry if you're not familiar with coding. I'll walk you through each step of the process. Next, we need to create a trigger that will run our script every 30 minutes. To do this, we'll use the script tap service in Appscript. We'll set up a trigger that will execute our function at regular intervals using the createTrigger method. Now, let's talk about the script itself. What we want to achieve is to refresh our sheet every 30 minutes, so we need to write a function that will do just that. We can use the spreadsheet tap service in Appscript to interact with our sheet and perform actions such as refreshing data. But one important thing to note is that we'll be using the properties service in Appscript to store the last runtime of our script. This ensures that our script doesn't get stuck in an infinite loop, running every minute without stopping. So, what are the main points to take away from this tutorial? Firstly, we've learned how to set up a trigger in Appscript that will run our function at regular intervals, in this case, every 30 minutes. Secondly, we've covered the basics of writing a script that will refresh our Google Sheet using the spreadsheet app service. And finally, we've seen how to use the properties service to store the last runtime of our script and prevent it from running unnecessarily. And that's it for today's tutorial on how to use Appscript to refresh your Google Sheets every 30 minutes. I hope you found this explanation helpful and informative. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. If you like this video, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips on using Appscript and other Google tools. And if you're feeling adventurous, try experimenting with different triggers and functions to automate even more tasks in your workflow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.